What's up, y'all? Welcome back to HauseBBQ. Today I'm gonna do some kettle fried chicken. I'm gonna do it on my Weber. First time I'm doing this. We'll see how it come out. Yeah. All right, so let's get started. What I got here is my chicken. I got all legs. It's hard to find meat in the store these days due to coronavirus. Don't worry about the picnic table. Let it all come off. Look at that. Already pre-seasoned it. Put some seasoned salt in there. A couple different things in there. Creole. Just whatever I like on my chicken. And I got some pre-seasoned batter too. That's all I gotta do is take them out of here, let them drip, put them in there, put them on a wire rack. We'll get them ready for the grill. I'm not trying to really explain what seasons I put in each, because this is my first time doing it. I'm gonna just see how it works out. You know, this hand for throwing them in there. I'm gonna just throw a couple of them in there at once. In this hand, let it batter. Don't worry about the table. I'm gonna spray it off. Just here. Also, I hope my wire rack is big enough too. You know what I mean? You can smell these. They smell amazing. Let's repeat this process for all of them. And I probably should have let these drip off a little bit before I just throw them in here with all that moisture. I don't know. My first time. Comment in the comment section on what I should do better. If you're gonna say something, you might as well smash that subscribe button. There it is. Chicken all ready. I'm gonna let that hang out while I get the grill lit. Today I'm just going with some Kingsford charcoal with hickory in it instead of lump charcoal, because I ain't really trying to smoke nothing. I don't know if there's a difference in that, but I usually use lump to smoke, but I'm using this in briquettes. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing lit. Turn it on. Get the igniter. There we go. I think I'm gonna cook this at about 350, 375. You know, nice and hot. Get them nice and crispy. We're gonna see how they come out. Now I'm gonna show you what I did. I ain't let them get lit all the way because I don't have a vortex, right? So I just pulled them in there and try to put them all in the center. Use this little thing while they were hot. It's old, can't use that no more. Plus I want to get my rack hot so I can clean that off. So I got time. Let them heat up. Throw this on there. Got it wide open. And we let them get hot so I can clean the rack. Don't worry, not gonna use this one. So, yep, so now I got them cleaned up the best I could with the scraper. I got some oil on the towel, try to get the racks oiled up, you know. Trying to prevent them from sticking. Could use tongs, but you know what I mean? Gotta do everything the hard way. Pretty good. Trying to get the chicken on there. So we can go ahead and throw her on there. These things up. Try to stay on the edges with it. We're going indirect. That's why I put all the coals in the center. Messy job. Hopefully it comes out good. There we go. Got them all around the coals. Probably could do better than that. Put that over. go ahead, let this go for 30 minutes. Let it go for about 30 minutes and I'll come back out, get a probe and one of them, watch them temps. And these things been going about 30, 40 minutes. It actually was holding at 400 for a little while. Now it's calmed down, I don't know. Let's check them out and see what they look like. Yeah. Oh man, I think I'm on to something. What y'all think? It's about time for me to get that probe in there. Them things are beautiful. Woo, kettle fried chicken. Talk to me nice. Now if that don't make you subscribe, I don't know what will. Well, that's some good chicken right there. I ain't even tasted it yet, I can just tell. Look at it. Woo. There we are. Got my probe out. Go ahead, get it in there. Man, ain't they beautiful? Look at that. Put it in that one right there. Gonna keep on cooking. Got her set to 165. Once she hits temp, you can call her done. There it is, moment of truth. Go ahead, pull them off here. You know what that sound means. We hit temp. That out there. Those things. Go ahead. Oh man. A little sticking. Guess I didn't oil the grill enough. Okay, man. I'm excited. What about you? You guys excited? Man. These things. Wow. Kettle fried chicken on the Weber. They look tender. Oh, juices fell out of that one. I wish I could have showed y'all that. Man, look at these things. Nice and crispy skin. Whew. I'm ready to dig in. So I'm gonna let them rest. Look at them things there. Kettle fried chicken on the Weber. She's still piping. I could cook something else if I wanted, but nah. Then we done for the day, baby. Yeah. I'm gonna let them rest for about 30 minutes. I had all I could take. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab one and just cut into it. With my left hand. Oh man, look at that. I had to turn my light off so y'all can actually see the juices. See that? Y'all hear that crunch? Crispy. Go ahead and cut her again. I ain't really cut through it, so I'm in a rush. Man, you see this? You see this? Man, go ahead and subscribe, man. You're missing out if you don't, cause I'm out here cooking amazing meals that smell good, look good, and now we know it tastes good. It's nice and juicy, cooked all the way through. HauseBBQ, baby.